Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm over here at my friend Tracy's house, and his brother-in-law is here, Rick, and he's got this really nice EcoBoost 2018 Mustang GT, and the car's looking really good. He got a set of wheels off of another car. This was another performance pack style EcoBoost. I don't really know how to identify it, but Rick's back here. What's happening, Rick?
Oh, a whole lot.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a ride over to the track, and we got to stop and get some gas and stuff. But we're going to go for a ride in the Whipple Charged 2018 Mustang GT. This car is run 1068 at 134 miles an hour. Rick over here has never been in a car like this, so this is the first time that he's going to feel the power of a car like this. So come on, Rick, let's go hop in the car. Let's go have some fun. So Rick, have you ever been in a supercharged car before?
No, I never have.
No, huh? Well, this one isn't really the fastest, you know, of them. There's a lot of Whipple cars that are a little faster than this one, but this one actually runs pretty good for what it is. You know, it only being in stage 1 and everything. Come on, you got the right of way, buddy. All right, well, if you're gonna wave it, yeah. So we're just gonna go for a little ride, and I'm gonna show you what it's like to do a little street driving. Now guys, we're on our way to the track. We're headed up to Bradenton. You can see behind me there, the drag radials are in the car here with us. So there's a lot of weight in the car right now. It actually might work in our favor to get a little weight over the rear wheels as we do a couple of hits here on the street. So there's a lot of traffic. Yeah, there's a Charger, a Challenger. Let's see. Oh, we broke his neck.
Yeah.
All right, we're just gonna go around a traffic circle here.
All right. Let's see what she does.
Oh, that, the Challenger's behind me.
Oh, that's pretty good. Back in.
Okay, well, guys, that was not 100 miles an hour, I promise you.
Too much traffic.
Yeah. You catch up to the traffic so fast, it's like you really can't stay in it. But you see, the car's quiet. I got stock exhaust on it. You know, it doesn't make a lot of noise, but it checks out.
Certainly does.
All right, we're gonna head up to the gas station, actually. That time it just picked up third. That actually felt pretty good. It didn't kick, you know, we were going slow. It didn't go to second, it didn't go to first. It just grabbed third and it checked out. Now we're still on the Whipple tune, and I'm driving it in normal mode, so it's kind of like not as aggressive as you would have it if it was in drag mode or sport mode. But this you know, it's basically a street tune. It's not very aggressive, but the car runs pretty good on this tune. Got this traffic circle to get around. There's a lot of cars around here. We're getting to rush hour, but see, now we're doing 20 miles an hour, and I'm just gonna goose it. Second gear.
There's a turn off on the
Yeah.
gas.
So now we got to pull into the gas station. Actually, no, he's turning off.
Why? It goes around.
Everybody gets in your way.
That was a nice ride. I'm just fast.
Yeah.
A lot of kick.
How is it compared to your EcoBoost?
Oh, well, there is no comparison, really.
Yeah. Well, the EcoBoost, they run good. I mean, for 4 cylinders, they really check out. But yeah, just a little street drive in a street car.
Yeah, I had a 5.0 about 20 years ago, and this has got about 2 or 3 times the kick that thing did.
Yeah. What was it? A Fox body?
Yeah.
Oh, they're hot, man.
It was bending the seats.
All right, so we're just going to gas up the car a little bit. See that? Putting 93 octane gas in it over here at Racetrack. And we got our crew with us here. Look, we got Tracy. What's going on? Tracy's the guy with the 2019 Mustang GT with the Whipple Stage 2. There's Rick over there. He's just driving with me in the car. We're getting the car gassed up now, and we're going to head over to Bradenton and do a little drag racing.
Absolutely.
All right.
Cameraman tonight, guys.
That's right. That's what his role is. He's the guy outside the car, you know, doing video of outside the car while I'm driving. And Rick's with us too. Also, he's going to be doing some camera work for us. So.
And I'm putting on record challenge Howler versus Orange coming up
yeah.
to look at axles.
Well, Howler is the 2019 Mustang that Tracy's got. He's got a Lund-tune long tubes and a Stage 2 setup. He put down about 700 to the rear wheels. This car in Stage 1 form isn't putting down quite that much, but we may not get to the track while I'm in Stage 1. I might be have done my upgrades by the time we get there. Tracy's going to get his axles. I'm going to get my Stage 2 upgrades, and then we're going to go heads up the first chance we get. Right, Trace?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, stay tuned for that one, guys.
Take care.
All right, guys, so just looking at the car, you can see we just put some gas in it. That run that we just did with Rick, we still have the street tires on it. Okay, she runs pretty good on those tires. They grip decent here on the track. But check this out. This is something that I wanted to show everybody. The 305s, they actually fit really good in the trunk. There's really no problem transporting these tires around if you want to go to the track and bring your tires with you and change them out at the track. See that? They fit right in there. There's really no problem. The 315s, we haven't figured out if they're actually going to fit this way, but you'll definitely get away with it with the 305s. All right, guys, so we're headed up to Bradenton now. We should be there in a few minutes. We'll change out the tires. We got Tracy and Rick here with us, and we're going to have a good time tonight, all right? So I'll probably be posting this video ahead of my track video, but we're on our way. Thanks a lot for coming out, guys.
And, let's not break anything.
Yeah, that's the main thing, not to break anything. So
Safe and have fun.
that's right. That's what it's all about. We got to play it safe, and we got to go fast and not break anything. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. So everybody, we're on our way to the track, and this is the first thing that we see. Just left the house, and that's a Mazda 6 that crashed into the back of a school bus. And we've been sitting here for about 15 minutes waiting for this to clear, and I'm going to try to get some video as I pass it, but I just thought I would try to pick this up as close as I can. That's a Mazda 6 that crashed into the back of a school bus. Just when you think you've seen everything, something like this happens. There's the school bus pulling away. I thought I would get video of it as I drove by, but I won't get it. Unbelievable. And the car still runs too. Look at that. You wonder how these things happen. There it is, guys. Okay, now we can head out to the track.